Around our house today, y'all, it's lunchtime. And I'm so fortunate. My Aunt Peggy is not high maintenance when it comes to eating. And she does love a pizza. So I'm going to share with y'all a recipe for a cauliflower crust pizza. It's much healthier than the floured kind. So all I'm going to do, this is like a half a head of cauliflower that's been grated on the fine part of the grater. But it's actually the biggest part. I don't want to confuse anybody. So let me see where this is. Oh, I can't remember. Well, I knew I put it in here. You'd grate it on this side. It would take you days if you used anything smaller. So about a half a head of cauliflower. And you can even buy grated cauliflower, can you?
Can nowadays.
That would be easy. But I'm going to put this in the microwave and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes until it's soft. And then we're going to have to let it cool completely. But I can have lunch ready for Aunt Peggy in 15 or 20 minutes, can't I? I'm trying to beat the clock, y'all. This is Aunt Peggy's lunch. And, oh gosh. All right, see what happens when I start getting in a hurry. I make a mess. But I want to get this done before she comes in. And I can pretend that we're a little closer to lunch than not. All right, that's 1 beaten egg into that half a head of cauliflower. We've got mozzarella cheese. We've got Parmesan cheese. And we're going to do just a little light touch of salt and pepper. There we go. That's all we need. I love cauliflower. To me, cauliflower is the best substitute if you're dying for a potato. Cauliflower will fit the bill. I'll cook it and put some butter on it and top it with a little sour cream, close my eyes, and I can almost pretend like I'm eating that baked potato. All right, so here we go. And remember, you want to let that cauliflower cool. Now, I've lightly sprayed our pan. And this is supposed to fit a 10-inch, and I don't know if this is a 10 or a 12-inch. I don't remember what I've even thought, y'all. So we're just going to press this out. It's a lot easier than rolling out pizza dough, isn't it? Even the pizza dough that you buy from the grocery store that's already done up, that is the hardest stuff to roll out. I mean, you think you're never going to get it rolled out. All right. You know what, Eddie? I'm going to have to satisfy my own self. I'm going to have to get the measuring tape and see. I almost think this is a 10-inch. What you think? If you were betting, what would you think? Give it your best shot, Eddie. What you think?
What are you talking about? The whole pan?
Yeah, pan, the size of the pan.
Yeah. No,
You think it's a 10 or a 12?
Probably 12.
I think so too. Let's see. Now, do we measure it from outside to outside or inside to?
I would say it's just
It's a 12.
It is 12.
It's a 12.
It's all right. I mean,
Oh yeah, I'm just not going to, push it all the way to the edge. Looks good. All right, now we're going to put this in a 425-degree oven, and we're going to bake it for about 10 or 15 minutes until it's golden brown, and then we're going to have pizza for Aunt Peggy. Look how good that looks, y'all. And it smells delicious. And it smells just like cauliflower. Now, this is not going to take but a minute to finish this up. My recipe calls for tomato sauce, but, you know, Rayo started making a pizza sauce. And so that's what I'm using these days because it's just that good. Now, I'm making like a margarita pizza, but you can put anything you want to on this. Michael and I, we're meat eaters. We like ground beef and bacon and all that good stuff, but we'd be kind of defeating the purpose, wouldn't we? All right, so we got our cherry tomatoes that we've just cut in half. Put as many or as few as you want. I think that's a plenty. And some sliced garlic. I think I'm going to give it just a little rough chop. Just to break it up a little bit. I really do think y'all are going to like this. And when you find out how easy this is, you're going to love it even more. And when you figure out how low calorie it is, you're going to be in real love. All right, now we're going to put the basil. And again, as much or as little as you want. I love the basil on it. How about you, Eddie?
Yes.
Yes, well, tell me when you think I have enough, okay? Okay?
Oh, I think you could add more.
Okay, I can have more?
Yeah.
Okay. We just yell when you...
Because I think it's going to shrink up a little bit.
You think so? I think so, too. Okay, now how about a few shakes of red pepper? Just a little bit. To me, you get one of these little seeds and it's hot. All right, back in the oven it goes. Oh, I hadn't put our cheese on it yet. We can't have a pizza without cheese, can we? No, sir. Now, in actuality, in real time, what did it take to make this? 10 or 15 minutes. The longest thing is letting it cool, letting your cauliflower cool. Okay, here we go. It's almost lunchtime and Aunt Peggy's not downstairs yet. All right. Aunt Peggy got down here before I actually got out of the oven. But she's hungry. She said, "Did you make that?" Sure did. Sure did. You wouldn't believe how easy it was. Ooh. Sure did make it, and it sure is hot. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. He's barefooted. Oh, I love that crust. Okie dokie. Great, great. Got you some pizza, homemade pizza. I can't wait for you to taste it. What do you want to drink with your lunch?
This'll be fine.
But you can't drink that.
Smells so good.
I know. I can't wait to tell you what it actually is.
Oh, is he tricking?
No, it's no trick. Just treats. Just treats.
It smells.
Pretty good.
You make it.
I do.
You just asked me if I made it.
I didn't.
I know you did.
Well, it's a cauliflower crust for people that really are wanting to watch their carbs. That is so not hurtful for you. And of course, you can put anything on it, but I did a margarita, which is just tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. It's hot.
What's your niece's name? What's your niece's name?
Paula Deen, she knew my name. Delicious. You don't know what you're missing, Michael.
No.
This was no trick, just treat.
Oh, yeah. I tried to give you a hint.
Love and best dishes, y'all. Gotta try it. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.